How's it going, guys? It's me, Steve. Here's the latest in Disney news. Let's get into it. Capture Your Moment will be launching soon at Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. Capture Your Moment is a personalized 20-minute photo session with a Disney PhotoPass photographer that you reserve in advance. It's a special add-on for those celebrating something special, such as a proposal, baby announcement, honeymoon, anniversary, birthday, graduation, first visit, or just anything, or just enjoying time spending with family in the most magical place on earth. There's always something to celebrate, and those sessions are a great and relaxing way to ensure your moment or family portrait is not only captured, but also captured in a creative way that highlights your style and personality. At Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park, Capture Your Moment sessions will take place on or nearby Discovery Island, where you can take advantage of stunning views of the Tree of Life. After checking in your session at the ticket and photo shoot location, you'll have the opportunity to capture photos there with your photographer for up to 20 minutes. Just like the Capture Your Moment sessions offered at Magic Kingdom Park, each session is $50 and you can include up to 8 guests. The official Disney Parks blog is going to be celebrating Halfway to Halloween on Friday, May 7th, and the company is teasing some special announcements. According to the post, the hashtag Halfway to Halloween fun begins tomorrow morning. Throughout the day, we'll be sharing nothing but treats, including a special announcement, as well as a few sneak peeks and some dreadfully delicious dishes. Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party was canceled in 2020 due to the pandemic, along with the Magic Kingdom's other seasonal event, Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. Disney may be feeling the timing is right to announce a return of the hugely popular event. Of course, conditions may still not allow a return of the full party experience, but Disney can certainly introduce a modified version for 2021. Disney announced late yesterday that it plans to end temperature checks at Walt Disney World just short of a year since they were introduced. Here is the full statement from Disney on the upcoming changes to temperature checks. From the very beginning of our phased reopening, we have considered guidance from public health authorities, appropriate governor agencies, and our own team of health and safety experts as we access and update health and safety measures to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. As this guidance continues to evolve, and with the support of health and local officials, we are making some additional adjustments. Following advice of the CDC and our local health officials, we will phase out on-site temperature screenings at Walt Disney World Resort for cast members beginning May 8th and guests on May 16th. Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser will officially launch in 2022 at Walt Disney World Resort, and guests staying there will be among the first to use the new lightsaber created by Walt Disney Imagineering Research and Development. Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser invites guests into a new kind of story living as they travel the galaxy in style aboard the glamorous Halloween Starcruiser, known for its impeccable service and exotic destinations. They will stay in well-appointed cabins, experience exquisite dining, and out-of-this-world entertainment. Visit Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and much more. Throughout the journey, guest choices will determine their personal adventures by interacting with characters, crew, and other passengers they meet as they become part of the action and the broader Star Wars saga. Decisions guests make will determine how their individual stories unfold as they seize control of their destinies and potentially impact the fate of the galaxy. The Avengers begin when guests arrive at the Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser terminal at Walt Disney World and check in for their 2-night experience. Guests will enter a launch pad to begin the Star Wars through windows above. They'll see themselves leave their world behind as they jump into hyperspace and draw closer and closer to the massive and magnificent HalfWayToHalloween Starcruiser. When the launch pod docks with the Starcruiser and the airlock opens, guests will step into the ship's main deck atrium to begin their journey through a galaxy far, far away. A visit aboard the HalfWayToHalloween Starcruiser plunges guests into a multi-day interactive story that interweaves with members of the crew, other passengers, familiar Star Wars characters, and others. Guests may encounter the Starcruiser's strong and charismatic captain, the ship's plucky mechanic, heroes of the Resistance, or many more as they choose alliances and chart their courses. The all-immersive experience features enthralling onboard activities such as learning the ancient ways of the lightsaber and facing off against a training remote where guests may discover their own connection with the Force, visiting the Starcruiser's bridge to learn more about its systems and how to operate them, including navigation and defense skills that may come in handy during a journey through this adventure-filled galaxy. Guests will find refreshment each day in an enticing supper club known as the Crown of Corellia Dining Room. This bright and welcoming hall will offer breakfast and lunch daily to passengers before transitioning each evening into a lavish multi-course menu of both otherworld and familiar origins. One night's dinner will feature a live performance from a galactic superstar who can captivate an entire room with the crook of her own jewel encrusted. The journey also includes an excursion to Batuu, where guests can explore the winding pathways of Black Spire outposts and seek out a hidden resistance base. When Disneyland reopened at the end of April, the new Snow White's Enchanted Wish opened as well. The ride is a reimagining of the former Snow White's Scary Adventures, and Disney has been heavily promoting the new version of the attraction. One of the major new scenes near the ride's finale features Snow White and Prince Charming kiss, an integral part of the movie. Disney is now under criticism from those who believe the scene should be omitted from the ride as it portrays a situation in which Snow White cannot consent to be kissed. Acts of physical contact aren't often considered consensual when one or more parties are asleep, inebriated, or otherwise not of sound mind. Those who support the scene's inclusion often cite that a Snow White attraction without true love's kiss would then exclude a main plot point for the story, and the kiss is considered a life-saving action rather than a violation of Snow White's autonomy. Disney's role in the portraying of social and cultural issues has been a hot topic lately. Major changes have been afoot at the parks, including the new Disney look guidelines and the ongoing refurbishment of the Jungle Cruise, plus the upcoming closure of Splash Mountain at the U.S. parks. April was an exciting month for Disney Cruise Line as Disney began bringing to life their newest ship, the Disney Wish, which set sails in summer of 2022. First, they reached a significant construction milestone and announced Captain Minnie as the beloved character to adorn the ship's bow. Then, on the heels of unveiling their dazzling design concept that will give the Disney Wish a distinctive personality, they reveal exciting new details about what will make the ships unlike any other vessel at sea. Today, there's a new video and they're designing the Disney Wish series, which gives you a sneak peek at some of the incredible magic Disney Cruise Line has dreamed up for guests of all ages. Check it out on the Disney Parks blog website or YouTube channel to hear from their team's creative masterminds how the all-new spaces and experiences on board the Disney Wish will continue their tradition of delivering the most magical and relaxing vacations at sea. Now with more Disney stories and characters than ever, more details about the Disney Wish are on the horizon. It was just announced that Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel will reopen and welcome back guests starting June 15th, 2021 with limited capacity. Guests who also look forward to the return of some favorite dining locations, including Napa Rose and Storytellers Cafe, starting May 28th at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa. The Disneyland Hotel will reopen at a later date. Guests can now book reservations starting today and make Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel their perfect summer destination. As part of the phased reopening, Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel will not have food and beverage offerings initially. However, hotel guests may visit any of the nearby dining outlets at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, such as GCH Craftsman's Bar and Grill, Hearthstone Lounge, Storytellers Cafe, and Napa Restaurant, plus the many food and beverage offerings throughout the downtown Disney District. Select restaurants in the downtown Disney District also provide delivery services. For added convenience, guests of Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel and Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa can scan QR codes right from their in-room TV to access the links to those restaurants' delivery web pages and order food and beverages that can be delivered right to the hotel lobbies. Disney's Grand California Hotel and Spa is reopening popular dining locations, Napa Rose and Storytellers Cafe, for guests to enjoy while staying at the Disneyland Resort, and will be open to non-hotel guests as well. Starting May 28th, guests can enjoy the warm, inviting ambiance at Napa Rose for in-person dinner. Known for its award-winning wine list, excellent service, and delectable dining, Napa Rose will feature both the prefix Vitnier menu and the a la carte selections, where guests can savor wine country cuisine featuring the dishes that honor California's rich culinary bounty, artisan farmers, and world-famous winemakers. Guests can also enjoy hearty home-style favorites while dining at Storytellers Cafe, offering 3-course meals for breakfast and dinner. Whether you're hungry for an American Wagyu burger or craving a classic Mickey waffle, there's something for everyone's taste buds. Dining reservations are recommended and will be available for booking at a later date. Character dining will not be featured at this time. One other great feature that is returning May 28th at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa is the special entrance to Disney California Adventure Park for Disneyland Resort hotel guests who are visiting the park. Disney and Marvel have revealed the super new costumes cast members will be sporting upon the opening of Marvel Avengers Campus when it opens on June 4th at Disney California Adventure. At Avengers headquarters, cast members, aka campus representatives, will wear cargo bottoms, a training shirt, and a lightweight tactical inspired vest. At food courts, cast members will wear unique aprons. At Shawarma Palace, the apron is inspired by classic New York City. At Tehran Treats, it's inspired by Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. Over at the Ancient Sanctum, cast members can layer unique pieces inspired by the mystic arts. Cast members at PIM Test Kitchen are cooking with a splash of PIM particles. So these costumes feature the particle design on the hat and the tie. They also have a lab coat and PIM pocket protector. Who else is excited about Marvel Avengers Campus? Because I certainly am. Thank you guys for all your love and support. The channel is slowly growing, so let's keep it up. I enjoy giving you news about all things Disney. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram and Patreon, which are both Disney with Washington, for more content, and I guarantee you won't regret it. We are approaching 1,300 followers on Instagram. I think once we hit 1,500 followers, I'll start giving shout outs and plugging other Disney YouTuber channels. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you to everyone who follows my content, and we're just getting started, and there's plenty more to come. Thank you, thank you, thank you again for your support, and remember guys, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow.